Good morning. I'm at Aldi, if y'all could see in the background. I'm ready to run in here real quick and grab the new candles because y'all know today is Thursday, even though y'all know the new ad starts on Wednesday. But this is the first week of school, and it's been a hectic week. Oh my goodness, it's been a lot. And yesterday I was having such a bad day. I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it, y'all. But today is a new day. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna grab some of my candles. This ain't gonna be a long video because that's all I really want. So let's head in here and see what they have. Yeah, let's go, y'all. Let's go. Also, don't forget to leave down in the comments, what did you pick up this week at Aldi? Was this a past week for you? Or did you grab some of these candles? Or you saving your money for the Bath and Body Works candles? Leave that down at the bottom. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, follow me on all of my social media platforms. Follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. Let's see what they got. Since we're in here, we might as well. Wow. Okay, y'all, let's grab some of these candles and be back up out of here. It looks like they got the single wicks as well. These. Jeez. It didn't break. And y'all do know the single wicks is $2.49 and the 3 wicks is $3.99. I'm so happy they're sticking with that $3.99 price point because that $4.29 was crazy. And I think the everyday candles is still $4.49, but let's go down here and see if those has been reduced in price, because I personally feel like that's a little steep. We buy Aldi candle for the cheap price. They don't get me wrong, $4 is a good price, but I'm just saying, again, yeah, they are $4.49 still. These are the everyday candles or the seasonal candles. Most of the time when you come to Aldi, you can always find the gardenia, tropical escape. Let's grab this lid, because as y'all see, the lids ain't on these things good because people smell them and then put them back down, and they don't put the lids back on them good. And you can always find the vanilla scented one. But I noticed lately they've been having like this one, pink grapefruit, Cocoa Cove, the blood orange was Simon, and then the rose water Sanria. Yes. Oh, and they got, oh, this one's from last time. They still got that one. So let's grab our candles and get up out of here because again, I gotta go back to work. I'm just on my little split. So yeah, let's grab what we're gonna get and get up out of here, y'all. Now I see this, y'all, this portable blender, which is really nice, but the price point, $16.99. I'm gonna wait for the markdown, but they have them in different colors. This one is the red one. This is the like the mint green color, and then they have a pink one, the pink, and then they have a black one. So hopefully these stick around and I could grab one. But for $16.99, don't get me wrong, $16.99 is not a bad price. It's just I don't want to pay that price. I'm just saying. So let's grab the candles and get up out of here and move on to the next adventure. Okay, yeah, I forgot all about that these cabinets was coming out. So if you're looking for a candle cabinet, somewhere to store your candles, Aldi got the cabinets back. Yes, they're $80. Look like the color is gray. This is 31 by 13 by 31. So yeah, that's a good price. You can't wait for the markdown because you already know most of the time these cabinets do be marked down. Hi. No, this is a camera. So yeah, again, Aldi has the cabinets. If you are looking for a candle cabinet, run, because these cabinets do sell out. Amazing. I have 2 of them that I bought a couple of years ago and have not had any issues. I highly recommend these cabinets. You cannot go wrong with this cabinet. It's so good. And I got mine when they came out with the teal color, and I just spray painted it black. But a good thing, this is great. If I had room, I most definitely would buy another one because it is amazing. And then y'all already know Aldi return policy is amazing, as well as they warranty. If you get an item and it don't work, you can always call the company. They will refund you your money or send out a new product. Most of the time they refund the money because y'all know with this Aldi fines, once it's here and gone, it's gone. It ain't no coming back in more. So most of the time with the warranty, you just have to keep your warranty paper as well as your receipt. So when y'all buy those products, make sure you keep your receipt along with your warranty. So yeah, let me check out. I got my stuff. Let me ring out. Okay, let me show y'all what I got. Of course, y'all know I got all the candles, and again, I got this tripod is broken, so I have to hold it. Cypress mint. Hold it back. As y'all see, this pretty green, this mint color green wax is so nice. I love it. It smells like mint, but it also smells like green. You know, like flowers, not flowers, I shouldn't say flowers, like grass or like a tree, or yeah, most definitely mint and a tree. I think this is gonna be really nice. I think this is gonna be nice. I got Palo Santo eucalyptus. Palo Santo eucalyptus. Y'all know I love Palo Santo. I actually was burning Palo Santo yesterday because I had such a bad day trying to remove all the negative energy. So yeah, I don't know if it works with a candle, but I'm just saying, especially Bath and Body Works candles. I don't know. So like I said, Palo Santo eucalyptus. And most of the time I feel like eucalyptus normally takes over a candle, but we're gonna see because Palo Santo is kind of strong too, like a wood type of scent. And again, I really can't smell this one. I must say my sense of smell has most definitely changed since I had COVID. It don't seem the same. I can't smell that one. Lavender and fig leaf. So if I'm tripping and y'all can smell that, leave that down at the bottom. Oh wow, yes. This is okay. I do get that lavender. I do get that lavender with this one, but all these coming off kind of light to me. And then the last one I got is, again, the one that everybody is running for, is this cinnamon latte, which is the last one. Cinnamon latte. And I got a feeling it's going to be very cinnamon heavy with like a vanilla, like a creamy like vanilla with cinnamon. If I could open it. There we go. Most definitely a creamy. What is this on the inside of this thing? Like, I don't know. Like some paper. So yes, it is like a creamy cinnamon, like almost like I don't want to say ice cream, but it most definitely has a creamy note with that cinnamon. This is actually good. So for me, this is the must-have, even though I did say a lot of people was going to be running for it. I think this one is the must-have one. So this is the one that I most definitely will grab more of because it's nice. I might just only grab one more because I don't need 2 and 3 of any of these candles. So I might just grab one more, just have a 2. So yeah, this is good. And then also, y'all know I always buy the candy for my son, so I'm not even going to show that because anytime I come to Aldi's, just already know that I bought candy. So the next thing, I've seen this inside the Aldi Facebook group, this latte and frap mix. A lot of people has been talking highly about this, but I could not find it. So they finally got it in my store, but the only part about it, I don't really like chocolate. So what I think I'm gonna do is add more milk. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. Because I really don't like chocolate. And this is the mocha latte. And then they had Java chips. I'm not sure if they had another one. It seemed like they should have had like a vanilla bean, but I don't know. I only seen these 2, the Java chip and the mocha latte. It's only 3.35 ounce packages. That's kind of high for this, and I think this was like $4.50 for only 3. Let me make sure, y'all. Oh yeah, it is. It's just 3, and the packages come like this. As you see, it's almost like it's a lot in here though. Oh, 1 pack makes 2 servings. So 1 pack you can make 2 fraps. So basically that's all I got. Let me know in the comments, have you seen these latte and frap mix at your store, and did you grab it? How you making it? What is your blend? And then it looked like with this one you could do it cold or hot, but with this one it says cold. Enjoy cold. So if you see these in the store, how you mixing it up? Are you doing it just like at Starbucks? Or are you doing it different? Or are you a chocolate lover? Leave that at the bottom, because I'm not a chocolate lover. Chocolate is just okay for me. So like I said, leave in the comments, let me know, is this a pass week for you? Or are you gonna grab some of these candles? And I just realized I'm chewing gum. I'm sorry, y'all. Are you gonna grab some of these candles? Like I said, I feel like this is the pick for me. I'm finna head down to this other Aldi because I wanted that one board, that dry erase board, and they only had the other one. So I'm gonna go down to this other one and see if they have it. And yeah, and that's gonna be it, y'all. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. Follow me on all of my social media platforms and hit the notification bell. Do everything, y'all. Please, please, please. Do everything. I don't have to keep saying it. I'm just saying. Do everything, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right. Peace.